Hello dear student, how are you? I think everyone are fine there in your home. So student, this is your first video on English subject. Alright, so here your class is 10th. Don't forget, now you are promoted to class 10th after passing class 9th. So this is an subject English, okay, and here we are going to begin with the prose 1. A wrong man in workers paradise, the first chapter of your first book English. Okay, it is a book number 1. All right, so this portion we will kept as for glossary. Okay, a difficult words, a main points about this lesson going to be taught here in the glossary section. Understood? So student, don't forget your institution. In the institution where you studied from childhood till your adolescent, and you are going to pass your 10th. From where? From our CLS KK English Medium CBSE school situated here in Chikkodi. Alright students, so this is an introduction about the institution, about the subject and class, and about the lesson number 1. So let's begin with this. So what is there in this prose? Prose 1, a wrong man in workers paradise. So student, first video I am going to begin with a short summary of this lesson, and coming all videos and beginning with a new lesson, we will make one short video for the short summary for that particular lesson. So let's begin here. So student, here you can see prose 1, a wrong man in workers paradise. Fine. So here the word comes wrong. What do you mean by this word wrong? Yes, it is this sign, a cross sign, this one, wrong. Wrong means not useful. Okay, not useful, or you can write okay, which doesn't have any sense, or which doesn't have any sense. Okay, sense in the form of, let's a person have a sense, okay, a common sense, a person have a manners. A person who don't have a manner or a sense, that person can be called here a wrong man. Okay, fine. A wrong man is there in the lesson and he went to paradise. Do you know what is paradise? Yes, paradise is a place where you will get all kind of amenities or a basic necessity. Okay, paradise is called heaven. Okay, it is not a hell, it is heaven. Where it is situated? It is situated somewhere away from the earth. According to the Indian mythology, according to the another country's mythology, there is a heaven after the death of all creatures. A person or a creature who do good things, he will get a place in the heaven. A person or a creature who do wrong things and useless activities, he will definitely get a place in hell. So heaven and the hell are the two main places after a death of any living being. So here a heaven is called paradise, and the whole lesson is based on paradise or a heaven. In paradise, in this lesson, peoples are residing. Okay, peoples are residing and they are very hard worker, residing, and they are very hard workers. Okay, and they are very hard workers. This is all about the speciality for peoples who are residing in paradise. Alright, so this is a short meaning for the lesson. A wrong man in workers paradise. A wrong man went to paradise mistakenly by a messenger, and where the workers are working, this wrong man is a lazy and he made all these workers, all these peoples too lazy, and these people stopped working there. So then what happened at last? Everyone became angry on wrong man. Hey, you wrong man, you are only passionate about rest, okay, drowsiness, laziness, and you know only one kind of work, which is painting, and you used to do this kind of useless activity without any meaning. So it is not at all good. So you came here in our workers paradise and you disturb us, and you made us to attract to your work, and we all became lazy here. So for all this, you are the one who is responsible for this kind of things. So this is a short summary what happened there. So let's begin with what is more about in this workers paradise. Let's discuss about the characters and the roles the characters play in this lesson. Fine. All right. Yes. In the first lesson, a wrong man in workers paradise, a person mistakenly, or you can say unknowingly chosen by messenger. Do you know who is a messenger? Yes, messenger passes the message from one person to another. But here in the wrong man in workers paradise lesson, messenger is a person who is called Yamraj. I am writing here in Hindi, who is called Yamraj. Okay, this Yamraj mistakenly taken this wrong man into workers paradise, chosen by messenger and taken to workers paradise. Where he was taken to workers paradise. Workers paradise is a place called heaven, where the peoples live who used to do a work, who is totally busy in work rather than wasting their time by sitting in such a spare manner. So these peoples don't like to sit as it is, but this wrong man made all these workers, people who are there in the paradise, to follow his own routines, and everyone become there lazy. So this whole lesson is based on these kind of activities. There the lesson begins. Here the messenger takes the wrong man and he kept him there on the heaven, and in the beginning of the lesson the scenery will come like this. A wrong man is sitting beside to the stream. There is one stream, it flows very fastly, and that stream is very furious, because in the workers paradise, in the heaven, not even a single living being, though the all environment is too busy that they don't have a time to wait for a while. So the stream is flowing very fastly and it is not making any sound. The stream is flowing but not making any sound. What it means? Do you know the stream nearby the Chikodi? When it flows, it makes somehow sounds. Yes or no? But this stream is not making a sound. So what wrong happens to this stream? No, nothing wrong happens to that stream. But the reason is the stream is flowing but it is not making any sound. It seems that it don't want to waste its energy, its time for making a sound. It is doing its duty slowly, silently, and without making any sound. So this is what in the workers paradise, even the stream, even the water and the environment is too busy that they don't want to waste their time. But this wrong man, chosen by a messenger and kept in the workers paradise in the heaven, and this wrong man was sitting beside to the stream and he is observing each and every person there. They are moving so fastly, okay, in between the path, okay, they are filling the water and they are doing the activity of agriculture, plowing their fields, and they are flowering and they are watering to the flowers, and they are doing all kind of cleanness activities. Even some of them working in the king's darbar, and some of the helping to the messengers to choose the people from the earth who did the good works to get inside here in the heaven. So these all kind of activities were going on, and this wrong man is watching each and every person thoroughly, and he is passing a comments on them. Hey, why you are moving so fast? Wait for a while, take some rest. It doesn't look so good. You shouldn't do like this. So you have to be like me, how I am here, free, smiling, seeing here and there, passing the comments. Then suddenly what happened? A girl was passing in front of the wrong man, where the wrong man was sleeping so patiently, and she asked, hey you person, from where you are? Why you don't know this is a workers paradise? This is a heaven here, and you are sleeping here. It doesn't look good. You should do some kind of work here. If you are a working person, then everyone accept you. If you do rest, then this place is not meant for you. And these words makes this wrong man too funny. Hey, then he laughs, ha ha ha. Work is not there in my blood. Work is not there in my routine. In my routine there is only rest, laziness and drowsiness, and I want to spend my time in a sphere, in making paints, in making different kind of drawings. And he asked, hey you girl, do you have a picture? So student, in this lesson a new word come. What it is? It is picture. Picture is a container. What it is? It is a container where a container which is kept by a girl to fill the water from the torrent river. Torrent river means the stream which is flowing in between the heaven. So she used to fill the water in the pitcher, in the container, and take it to inside to the room, okay, in her house, okay, for another kind of activities, because that heaven is too busy and they always believe in the work. So she is also doing the same thing. She is working by filling the water in the pitcher and watering to rest of the kingdom. So this is activity which is done by the girl, and but this wrong man is commenting on this girl. Hey, what kind of picture you have? Give me that picture, I will draw a beautiful painting on it, and it looks very beautiful. Then this girl is not passionate about all these kind of things. Picture or a drawing? No, I don't want to give my picture or a pot to you to draw a different kind of paintings. I don't like. Then he forcefully convince her and take her picture and draw a very beautiful picture on it, and finally that girl appreciated. Yes, what a beautiful drawing you have did, really very best. Slowly this girl is the one first who motivated by the wrong man, and she start following his routine, and one by one every person from the workers paradise following this person. And the last day, when the messenger got knew, why no one is working in this workers paradise? Why you don't know everyone should work here? Why you are sitting as it is? Who is the first man who did this kind of things in my heaven? He is not allowed here. Then people start saying, my lord messenger, you are the only one who brought this person here, and he spoiled the routine of all the heaven. What to do now? Then he should be summoned in front of the kingdom, in front of the king, and he should be given a punishment. When he was giving a punishment, everyone is watching there. What is the fault of him? It is a fault of messenger. Okay, he is the person who want to spend his time in spare, but he should be given a punishment because he have made the whole routine a very incorrect. So student, this is all about in the first lesson what I told, a short summary. So student, this lesson gives one moral, a morality. The morality is everyone should work according to their time. Everyone should do hard work to achieve their goals, to achieve their aims. Now you are in 10th standard, you have a vast syllabus, and if you study day and night and complete your syllabus on time and do a good preparation, then what happens? You are the only one who are going to score better marks. If you don't study, if you spend your time as it is and you laugh here and there, enjoy, then what happens when the examination comes, you couldn't able to write a perfect answer, even you couldn't able to solve a question, then what happens? Side by side you will score less marks. So it shouldn't happen with you. You should be more perfect in your studies. So this is what a difference between the good man and a wrong man, or a good student and a wrong student. Wrong students are those who are laughing in the class and not listening to the class, enjoying the class, and the good students are the one who are making each and every points which is told by the teacher and completing their homework on time and showing to the teacher, and it is checked by the teacher. So this is what the difference between the good students and bad students. Good students accomplish his work and the bad student will remain somewhere in the margin. They couldn't do anything. So know the difference in between the good and the bad, and come back to your syllabus, come back to your way and achieve your goal and accomplish your work by passing the 10th standard. So student, this is the morality what we will get from the first lesson, a wrong man in workers paradise. Understood student? In next video we will begin with the textbook, read each and every sentence thoroughly, and I will make you to learn about the first lesson in such a simple and the lucid language. Understood? Okay, so watch the introduction of the first lessons and thoroughly, and make some notes, read the lesson. Even I am going to make another video based on the same lesson. We are going to begin with the same. For the time being, take care. Bye.